the physical appearance of the Inspector General of Police and the DCI. Both officers appeared before the court to shed light on issues pertaining to the three petitioners who are alleged to have been abducted. The petitions that are before the courts are demanding the physical appearance of the Director of Public Prosecution, an office that has no role in issues investigation. The petitioners are seeking the physical attendance of the Director General of NIS, a body that doesn't deal with investigations. There is a procedure in following and investigating how a missing person is to be traced. The role of the Inspector General, as provided for in Article 240, 244 and 245, ends with instructing the DCI to do investigation. The DCI instructed an Assistant Inspector General of Police to do the investigation. The investigation report has been presented. Evidence has been produced before the court that there was a serious meeting for East African Inspector Generals of Police in Rwanda. The DCI was supposed to be in Rwanda. They have to leave the interests of the region, the interests of 55 million Kenyans, to fly back to appear before the court. On behalf of our client, the CS for Interior, Wakili Murkomen, it is clear, and we have reiterated, there is no policy in the police force for abductions. And therefore, the time that they have been released, nobody was in police custody to be released. It is the policy of the CS for Interior, it is the policy for the Inspector General of Police, it is the policy for security apparatus that their role, once a missing person has been reported, they will investigate. If they have evidence, they will arrest and charge after the DPP has approved that charge sheet. Therefore, we are appealing to the Law Society of Kenya to think deeper. Is the DCI and the Inspector General going to be litigants so that they appear in court? The country saw there was no question that was put before the DCI or before the DPP. I strongly believe, as an advocate in this court, that the civil society and the Law Society of Kenya and the politicians are trying to fundraise by bringing senior public officers to court. There has not been any question placed for the DCI or for the Inspector General to answer. Why were they being summoned? Police will arrest under the new constitution. If the police have anybody, they'll produce that person to court within 24 hours. That is the supreme law of this country. So we shall be moving to speed to know how this problem shall be stopped. And lastly, we are appealing to citizens, whoever has information of the criminal gang that abducted citizens of this country. The inquiry file is open. They go to the police, they go to the DCI and report of any wrongdoing. IPOA distanced itself from this form of investigation.